Hey everyone, so in this video I'm going to show you how to activate your Uber deactivated account in 2025. So many of you have requested me to make this video for you, so I'm making it. So if there is some conditions before that, if you are not online for last 20 days, your account could get automatically suspended. You can always come back to them if you want to start rights again. Let them know by completing the information below. They will reactivate your account. Log on partnersuber.com or use applications to make sure that the information and documents in your account are up to date. So let me first tell you how to go to this page. So first of all, you have to come to the Google search bar and search for activate activate your Uber deactivate account, and after clicking on that you can see the official Uber help website link. It can be first or second or third web link. You just have to click on the reactivation request driving and delivering on it, and after that you will just directly come onto this web page. And let's continue the topic. So log on to partners.uber.com or use the application to make sure that the information and documents in your account are up to date. If your account was originally activated earlier than 1 year ago, before reactivating the account you may be required to do re-verification process. So however, if there you were only recently, your account may be suspended for other reasons. Check your email for any messages from Uber. So you have to first log in to get help, and you can click on partners.uber.com. You just have to log in here, and after logging in you just have to uh, fill up a form and give details that is the what is the reason you want to reactivate your request, and what was the problem that happened that caused the deactivation. And Uber authorities will uh, check your request, and they will reactivate your Uber account on 7 to 30 working days. So it can also be on 24 to 48 hours if your request is legit and you have the proof that you are not guilty for the reason they have deactivated your account. And that's it for today's video, guys. See you on the next one.